Hi, we're team number 5 and we're going to present our core activity.
Okay, so our game is called Twist Mania. It is based on the classic Twister, but with our own twist. It is supported by Microbit. So the concept is simple. There are two buttons. We can press A and B. When you press the button A, it will give you a random color. We choose to replace the original colors of Twister with our favorite ones. And by pressing button B, it will give you a random part of your body that you have to place in the mat. We decided to put more difficult body parts so the game could be more entertaining and harder to win.
Our analysis. The inputs are on button A press and on button B press. Our process is, it'll choose a random number between 1 and 40 and give a color. And it will choose a random number between 1 and 40 and give a part of the body. Our outputs are a color, it could be pink, black, purple, or gray when pressing button A, and a part of the body, tongue, chin, little finger, or nose when pressing button B.
Analysis. So the composition, our grain is broken into two parts, colors and body parts. On pattern recognition, the two parts have similarities because the codes the code chooses between 1 and 40 and it uses if statements. The difference in the categories is when you press button A, it gives you colors, and on button B, body parts. The abstraction. The general principles are the colors we chose. That are our favorite ones, so we eliminate the other options of colors. And the body parts are that and are small and difficult to place on a surface. So we discard the large body parts of the original twister. In algorithm design, for our algorithm, we identify the steps we wanted, how many they were, and the order that we are going to arrange them. We also thought of simple and concrete instructions in order to make our code perfectly, and we also used previous knowledge to discuss how we're going to design our game.
Our code tour. For our code tour, we use the variables and variable number and counter. We use conditionals. For our conditionals, we use if statements, and for our loops, we use the while loops. So let's go to microbit for the code tour. So this is our code. As you can see, we have on button A press and on button B pressed. We created the variables number and here counter, and we set number to pick a random number between 1 and 40, and we also did that for button B pressed. And we used the if statements, for example, if number is greater or equal than 1, and number is less or equal than 10, then it'll show the string pink. We use the if statements to show the strings we wanted on the LED displays. And we also did that for the body parts. And for the while loops, we created the variable counter and set counter to 0. And then when counter is less or equal than 10, it'll show the LEDs of our game logo we designed, and we cleared screen. Okay, so let's play. I'm going to press button A and it'll give me a color.
Purple.
So it's the color purple, and when I press button B, it should give me a body part, nose.
Okay, so I'll do it purple with my nose.
Will show our challenges and learnings. Our challenges were the brainstorming. We had to agree in doing a game that we both like and we could manage to do it in microbit. And for the code, the steps and the arrangement of everything in order for our code to perfectly work. And our learnings were teamwork and hard work, and also to measure our times and to dominate microbit and everything we learned throughout the semester and put it into practice.